Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Are you running out of ideas to decorate your kitchen or your bathroom? I have a great one here with me. Evelynen Turkish towels are so unique. First of all, I love the fact that they're 100% Turkish cotton. I also appreciate that they're free from chemicals to the body, so I really wanted to make sure to get the best for my family. Once I started using them, I loved how soft and absorbent they are. They dry quick, so I have one in the kitchen to dry my hands or dry dishes, and I have another one in the bathroom. They look beautiful. Not only is it super unique, but I love the material, I love the decoration, I love the fabric. I just love everything about it. And something very special about them is that they're multifunctional. So you can use them in the kitchen, you can use them in the bathroom for your face towel or a gym towel. So if you don't want to be disappointed after buying your towels, I highly recommend Evelynen Turkish towels. They have multiple colors, they are beautiful, and that is my point of view.